Now, I didn't have nothing to do today, so I figured I'd drive up here to Lake Donegal to see what the progress was. It's too windy to fly. Man, it's brutal out here. But, you know, I'm not so worried about that. I just wanted to come up and check it out. Wow. Looks like they're getting some construction done on the dam over there. Let's see if we can zoom in on that. That looks all new to me over there. Oh. Let me walk down here a bit. Oh yeah, it's a lot deeper over here than it was over at the other spot. When I was last year, when I went down to the other side, down that way some to film when I had the Phantom 3 out, it was a lot deeper here than there. There it's not that deep, the lake, but over here it's a lot deeper. Way deeper, actually. Over there it's only a couple of feet deep. Over here it's down there pretty good, you know. Wow. I mean, it's real windy, but I might be able to take the Mavic up for a minute. Who knows? Ooh, man, is it cold. See, it's colder up here than it is in Pittsburgh. It's like 10 degrees colder up here than Pittsburgh. Wow. The Mavic Pro is the only quad I would have trusted today up here at Lake Donegal. I'm going to be honest with you, man, it was a little shaky. I was a little nervous because I wanted to fly over there to where the new construction is on the dam. Over there, I flew above it. I'm freaking shivering right now, to be honest with you. I'm probably shaking. Okay, so I always kept getting these high wind warnings when I was up in the air, and but I pushed through it. I mean, it's the Mavic Pro. It's a beast, man. This thing is a beast. So that's what you're gonna see in the video. Just me flying from here over to the dam. I brought the Mavic Mini up, but it's too windy for that thing. I don't think that thing can handle this. Maybe a little quickie, but I don't know. Ooh, man, stay cold. All right, guys.